Hello again. Welcome back to MarineMax Gulf Shores, Alabama. Today we're going to be taking a brief look at Sea Ray's 270 Sun Deck. As you can see, the beautiful lines on this boat. Comes with the bimini top with the tower. This particular Sea Ray is outfitted with the Mercury 350 Verado. 8.6 beam, dry weight about 5,600 pounds. Let's take a walk inside and see what this Sea Ray looks like. As we continue our walk inside of this Sea Ray 270, you can see there's ample seating room. Beautiful stitching on the seats, outfitted with carpet. There's your helm section here with a helm seat that's capable of fitting 2 people. Fly-by-wire throttle. Here's a look at our head. And a look at the bow. Again, this is Sea Ray 270 Sun Deck, 2018 model. Just a brief view of this beautiful boat. For a full detailed viewing, come on down to MarineMax Gulf Shores, Alabama, and see me, Dwayne Diggs.